Hello everyone, I'm Mangesh Agarwal, Managing Director at Ecoclean India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We have here our product Combi Line. This is a product which is used for precision cleaning applications, mainly required for areas of precision cleaning applications. For example, optics. For example, aerospace. So this technology is here we are using the technology of ultrasonic cleaning process, where we are using different combinations of the cleaning processes like spray and ultrasonic and drying. EcoClean is into component cleaning machine manufacturing. We are a world leader in cleaning component process development as well as machine manufacturing. We are based out of Pune in India, where we are manufacturing variety of solutions for the customers, ranging from automobile industry to precision cleaning applications like watch, optics, aerospace, and so on. Where we are implementing different solutions depending upon customer need. So we have aqueous machines for aqueous based contaminations. We have solvent based machines for oily and greasy contaminations. We also have a high end laboratory in our facility in Pune, where we invite the customer. Actual machines are installed, where we are conducting the actual trials on customer parts. We are developing the process or the recipe for cleaning of the parts and ensuring that the customer quality is achieved even before the decision about buying EcoClean machines is made. EcoClean is also widely known for its service. We are offering 24/7 service facility for all our customers in India and Southeast Asia, with the high competency of the engineers that we have developed over 2 decades in India so far.